OAWALKER here, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB one in natural titanium. This unboxing is a bit late. Despite me pre-ordering it on time, it still came over a month late, but it is what it is. So we're just going to open it up and just take a look at it. Got this nice little packaging box. This is lovely to take apart. We've got the iPhone and some packing information on top. I'll put that to one side. See here, you got the iPhone, you got the details here. iPhone 15 Pro Max, the 1TB, and all of that good stuff. So obviously you can see how slim the box is. I'm just going to take these strips off and open it up. Take the one at the bottom as well. Wow, straight away you got the iPhone on top. Color looks very nice. Almost looks silver. But this is the natural titanium one. As of right now, I'm going to put this to one side. We're going to take a look at what else you get inside the box. So you have your USB cable. So this is Type C to Type C. So it's going to be different. You can use any Type C cable with this to charge your phone, which is nice. And obviously you got your SIM card removal tool. And then you got your Apple stickers and all some documentation, warranty information and all that good stuff. Packaging is pretty simple. And obviously you don't get a power brick with it. You need to buy that separately, either from Apple or from a third party. So let's put this back. So let's take a look at the phone itself. Very nice. Let's take the peel off. Nice. Let's just walk you through the phone. Obviously you got the on and off button there, nothing else on the side, and obviously this side bit here is all titanium. At the bottom you got the speaker grill, and then you got the USB Type C, and then on the left hand side you have instead of a switch that was there before, this is a button, so you could mute your phone. Also this is programmable, so you could literally open up any application, a camera app, a game, any application. You could do quite a lot of stuff with this button. So whatever suits your needs, you could set it to do basically anything you want. And then you have a volume rocker there, and then you got your SIM card tray right there. The camera's not focusing. You got nothing at the top, and then obviously on the back you got your triple cameras, flash, Apple logo, pretty standard stuff. So let's power this on. Hopefully there's some kind of juice. So let's power it on now, and obviously you go through the setup process. Select your language, country. Let's see if I could try to find my country. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the setup process right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got everything set up. I've got the phone set up now, and obviously it's an iPhone. You have all these standard apps. These are the default apps that you get on there by default if you're interested. So yeah, if you're familiar with iPhone, they're pretty much going to be all the same. This is iOS 17. I might need to do an update with it. Obviously it has this always on display where it dims it down low, so you can still read the time, date, and see your notifications. And then if you want to wake it up, you double tap, and it wakes the screen up, and then you could unlock the phone and do whatever you need to do. Overall, first impressions are it is pretty nice. If you want to know the specs, look online and you can see the difference in specs with the with last year's model. There's a few, it pretty much looks the same. There's a few tweaks here and there, slightly better camera, processor and all that usual stuff. But yeah, overall the color, I like the color of it. First impressions, it almost looks kind of silver. Maybe it's just the lighting that I'm in now, but overall I really do like it. Obviously I'm gonna have a case on it. I've got a Speedgen case. I'm gonna put it in there. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to be posting that one soon as well. But yeah, overall first impressions is nice. The main design feature of this is the titanium. So it's got titanium going all the way around this part of the phone. And this is supposed to be glass as well, but like a stronger glass. Hopefully it doesn't break as much, break as easily. But overall it feels pretty nice. It feels comfortable in the hand. It doesn't feel sharp. It feels, the edges feel more rounded and soft. So it's a bit more comfortable to feel holding your hand while when you don't have a case on. But overall first impressions is really good. If you want to see any other videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of the phone. Are you getting one? If you've got your one already, leave all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Peace.